Good morning, guys. It's yet another day. Today is Mashujaa Day in Kenya, or Heroes Day. Oh man, look at the sun. It's out and everything is awesome, man. So I'm currently at Kitengela and I'm heading to see my friend, man. Today I'm just gonna be hanging out with my friend. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is how it looks like. The road is really bad. As usual, the roads in Kenya are pretty bad. I'm almost arriving, guys. So, comment below how you spent your Mashujaa Day or Heroes Day. That is October 20th. Let's go. Another day, another dollar. Yep. Another day is over, man. Just on my way home. So actually this road was being constructed today. So let's see how they did it. Let's see. Oh man, it looks better. Looks way better. Yeah. Way better. So guys, today was Mashujaa Day. Happy Mashujaa Day to all Kenyans and all heroes around the world. Yep. Just chilling, man. Just been chilling. Not been doing much. You know. Yeah, guys. You know, and kind of enjoying the drive home. It's currently 8:08. I'm just taking it easy. Yeah, so guys, I'm sorry I've not been, putting out the videos that like I've been putting them out before. The videos might have changed. I'm doing more of the night videos, but trust me, guys, I'll make sure I give you at least one video a day. Just an update on my life. Yeah, currently everything is awesome, just like this new road. Smooth, easy, and awesome. Just leave it all to God. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for always coming back. Actually, you are my true fan, man. You are the man and the girl, man. You're the one. Yeah. Keep on supporting me, guys. I'll keep on putting up nice videos. I hope they get better. The dream is to get a nice GoPro camera and bring out better, nice, clearer videos in the future. But for now, just driving home 8:10 on a Saturday. Oh, actually it's on a Friday. With no stress, man. I'm enjoying life. Thank you, God.